How do we protect our brand against strong attack from competitors? How to build a solid defense strategy against competitors?
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. What to do if your brand is being attacked by strong competitors? It is like you are sitting nicely in your castle and suddenly you see an invading army from afar marching towards your castle with all sorts of siege weapons. Are you going to just sit back and watch while your competitor is taking away your consumers, stealing your market share, reducing your revenue and profits? Absolutely not. However, responding to a competitive attack requires us to stay calm and not being emotionally reactive. We need to think through the best defense strategy. These are some of the key principles on how to defend against competitive attack. Understand the broader strategic implications. First, let's understand the motive of your competitors attacking you. Put yourselves in their shoes. First, understand who is attacking you. Big player with big company and big budget, or just a new small player trying to put their foot inside the market? Is your competitor just fishing for a quick wins and then will back off against your strong defense? Or is your competitor trying to get a strong foothold that they will fight till the end and you get a bloodbath in your hand that you cannot avoid? This way, you start measuring how big is the threat. How big is this competitor risk? Is it something that you can manage, or is it something that you need more effort and time? By understanding the extent of the threat, you can decide what is the best defense strategy. You can right-size your effort, not too light, but definitely not too heavy as well. Protect your loyal consumers first. When we are being attacked, more often than not, we are becoming more reactive. We are focusing our eyes and attention to what the competitors are doing and try to defend against it. Instead, we should first focus to protect our loyal consumer first and avoid them of being stolen away and being converted to the competitor brand. One strategy is to make your loyal user to hesitate to even trying your competitor brand. We can do this by playing into the familiarity and the comfortability of our brand that they already get used to. Another strategy is to load up your consumers with your products in a short period of time, at least for one purchase cycle. This can be done by promoting a discounted price or executing a bundle pack, buy one get one free. So the consumers already buying up your brand and has already a lot of your brand stock in their home, and therefore they will be hesitant to try your competitor brand. For a case of high-risk competitor attack, for example, big brand from big company with big budget, you may have to step back, redesign the whole marketing strategy in order to protect your loyal users, because this is a battle you cannot afford to lose. Make the cost of their victory too high. Estimate how much is your competitor going to lose and how much you can afford to lose too. Then make this a war of attrition to show your invading competitor that you will stand the ground. It is better to defend fiercely of your current business rather than doing another costly options of trying to get back the consumers that you already lose to your competitor. To defend your current users, you may want to increase your media spending level, create a deep promotion program, and increase your in-store display mechanism. That way, your current users will be protected against competitive attack. At the same time, increase the cost of your competitors by threatening their profit pockets. Understand your competitor. Where do they make money from? How they fund their competitive launches? And then you can start defining a strategy to attack their source of funding. Once their own castle is burning, the invading army will be retreating in no time. How about you? How do you defend your business against competitor attacks? Please write in the comment sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.